Hello, good morning everyone. Good morning students. Welcome back. That means the online platform SPS online classes. That means Kodi Public School online classes at Barsai, Raghunathpur. So today the subject is mathematics from class 7th. So in our last class, actually we were discussing about the rational number. What are the numbers? Before that we actually seen that discuss that whole number, integers and natural numbers, that means different kinds of number. So today we will discuss some basic properties of the rational number. The rational number, that means the number which can be represented in the form of p by q, where p and q are the integer and q not equal to 0 is a rational number. So today we will discuss, today we will continue with this topic. Next point, there are the three important properties of the rational number. That means three important properties of the rational number. First properties, if p and q is a rational number and m is a non-zero integer, then p by q, suppose that p by q is a rational number and m is a non-zero whole number, maybe non-zero whole number, so then m is a non-zero integer, then p by q equal to p into m by q into m. That means if the numerator or denominator of a rational number is multiplied by equal number, the value of this number cannot be changed. Look at this example. You will 3 by 2 is a rational number, so we can write like that p by q equals to what? 3 by 2, and m equals to what? 2, 3, 4. Simply the first one is that this way, the p into m by q into m. So that means p into m by q into m equals to what? 3 by 2 into 2 by 2. So that means 6 by 4. Second one is that 3 by 2 into 3 by 3. That means what? 3 3 is 9 by 6, and 3 by 2 into 4 by 4. That means what? 12 ja 8. 12 by 8. Look at this. 4 3 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8, and 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6, and 2 2 ja 4, 3 2 ja 6. So finally we have what? 3 by 2. What? 3 by 2. What? 3 by 2. So that means after multiplication, that means if we multiply if we multiply by equal number of the rational number, that means if rational number का डिनोमिनेटर और नोमिनेटर को हम अगर इक्वल नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो फाइनली जो रिजल्ट होगा उसका जो नंबर आएगा, दैट मीन्स उसका वैल्यू कभी चेंज नहीं होगा. दैट मीन्स कि आफ्टर मल्टीप्लिकेशन वो p बाई क्यू के रूप में ही रहेगा और वो p बाई क्यू में कोई चेंजेस नहीं आएगा. दैट मीन्स सपोज दैट नोमिनेटर इज 3 बाई 2, तो ऑलवेज इट्स बिकम 3 बाई 2, 3 बाई 2, 3 बाई 2, 3 बाई 2, 3 by 2 and 3 by 2. This is the first properties. This is the first properties of this number. तो कहने का मतलब क्या हो गया? अगर आप इक्वल नंबर से किसी भी रेशनल नंबर में नॉमिनेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, जो रिजल्ट आएगा दैट मीन्स वो मेरा क्या होगा? वही रेशनल नंबर होगा जिसको हमने मल्टीप्लाई करके एक न्यू नंबर जनरेट किया था. सेकेंड पॉइंट इज दैट, सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टी इज दैट कि इफ p by q is a rational number, if p by q is a rational number, if p by q is a rational number and m is the non-zero integer and m is the non-zero integer, if p by q is a rational number and m is the non-zero integer, then non-zero integer, m is a common divisible and m is a non-zero integer or common divisible, common divisor of p and q. That means p by q equals to what? कि p भागा m and q divide m. The actual meaning of this statement this. अगर सपोज करो कि p by q मेरा कोई रेशनल नंबर है जिसमें डोमिनेटर मेरा p है और डिनोमिनेटर मेरा q है, अगर दोनों को हम एज अ m इज अ नॉन जीरो इंटीजर से अगर डिवाइड करते हैं, अगर उसको हम लोग डिवाइड करते हैं तो आफ्टर दैट जो नंबर आएगा उसका वैल्यू कभी भी चेंज नहीं होगा, लुक एट दिस, look at the example. After that look at the example. So suppose that 32 by 36, the 32 by 36 is a rational number. So 36 by 32 is a rational number. That means q what? p by q. So p equals to what? 32 and q equals to what? 36. तो फॉर्मूला इज दैट एग्जाम्पल, तो कंडीशन इज दैट कि p बाई q, दैट मीन्स p डिवाइड बाई m बाई q डिवाइड बाई m इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? अनचेंज. क्या कह रहा है? दिस इज अनचेंज. दिस इज द सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट. दिस इज अ सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट. लुक एट दिस. Now we will divide. That means कि 32 divide by 4 and again 36 is divided by 4. Then now the result is that कि 32 by 4 by 36 by 4. That means 9 and 8. The result is 8 by 9. So simply we will check कि 8 times and 9 times. That means कि 8 by 9 और 8 by 9. तो value remain unchanged. Value will be equal in both cases. Second example. Suppose that 27 by 36. That means minus 27 divide by 9 and 36 is divided by 9. So now we have कि minus 27 by 9 and 36 by 9. तो 9 1 जा 9, 9 4 जा 36 and 9 1 जा 9, 9 3 जा 27. तो now 3 by 4. Now the value is 3 by 4 and 3 by 7. 3 by 7, 36 or doesn't matter, minus 3 by 4. तो that means अगर इसको क्रॉस चेक करोगे 3 times and 4 times, तो फाइनली 3 by 4. तो आफ्टर डिवाइडिंग द सिमिलर नंबर एज अ डिनोमिनेटर और नोमिनेटर, वैल्यू रिमेन अनचेंज्ड. वैल्यू में कोई चेंजेस नहीं होगी. वैल्यू मेरा क्या होगा? हमेशा कांस्टेंट रहेगा. तो इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर. थर्ड पॉइंट इज दैट इक्विवेलेंट. EQUIVALENT. इक्विवेलेंट. इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर, इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर, रेशनल नंबर, इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर. The equivalent rational number that means equivalent rational number that means कि we will multiply continue. सिंपली समझो कि a बटे b इसका वैल्यू होना चाहिए कि सपोज दैट कि b बटे सॉरी a बाई बी इंटू सी बाई डी. सपोज दैट a by is the rational number. A by b is the rational number and a by b into 2 by 2, a by b into 3 by 3, a by b into 4 by 4, 4 by 4. So finally we have 2a beta 2b and 3a by 3b and 4a by 4b. So finally all the value are same, all the values are same. That means कि a by b is equivalent to 2a by, that means we can say that कि a by b equivalent होगा, that means equal to होगा what, 2a by 2b and 2a by 2b जो है वो equivalent होगा what, 3a by 3b and what कि this will be equals to what कि 4a by 4b. This is the equivalent number. This is the equivalent number. That means these are the equivalent of a by b. These are the equivalent number of a by b. When we will multiply as a numerator or denominator with the same digit, same non-zero integer. That means कि after multiplying, we got a new number. We will get a new number. The number is equivalent to the original number. That means a by b is the equivalent of 2a by 3, 3a by b and 4a by this. This is the three basic properties of the rational number. हर एक केस में क्या होगा, इसका रेशियो इक्वल हो जाएगा. हर एक केस में क्या होगा, इसका रेशियो इक्वल हो जाएगा. एग्जाम्पल सपोज दैट कि 1/2 इज द रेशनल नंबर. अब इसका इक्विवेलेंट नंबर निकालना है. वो सपोज दैट तो हम क्या करेंगे कि 2/2 1/2 इंटू 3/3 1/2 इंटू 4/4. तो नाउ वी हैव 2/4 इक्वल्स टू व्हाट, 3/6 इक्वल्स टू व्हाट, 4/8. So that means these are the equivalent number. These are the equivalent. Then that means कि again suppose that one more time 5/5. So we have what equal to 5/10. So that means कि 3/2, 4/8 and 5/10 are the equivalent number. Equivalent number is equivalent, that means rational numbers equivalent to, that means these are the rational numbers. These are the rational numbers. Rational numbers equivalent to what, 2/4. These are the rational numbers. और ये numbers क्या है, equivalent है किसका, 2/4 का. बेसिकली देखोगे इसका रेशियो, दैट मीन्स इसको अगर रेशियो में लिखेंगे हम तो 2:4 होगा ना, नहीं फिक्स रेशियो होना चाहिए. तो 3 1 जाते, इसको अगर हम कैंसिल करें दैट मीन्स सॉरी 1/2 लिखेंगे तो दैट मीन्स दीज आर द रेशनल नंबर इक्विवेलेंट टू व्हाट, 1/2. दीज आर द 4 रेशनल नंबर इक्विवेलेंट टू व्हाट, इक्विवेलेंट टू 1/2. इक्विवेलेंट टू 1/2. Why? 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 3 1 3, 3 2 6, 4 1 4, 4 2 8, 5 1 5, 5 2 10. So now we have what, 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. That means कि नंबर क्या होना चाहिए, इक्वल होना चाहिए. तब हम कह सकते हैं कि these are the rational numbers and equivalent to the 1/2. This is the simple concept. और these are the three basic formula. These are the three basic properties of a rational number. So now your homework is that exercise 4a. Your homework is that SW is that कि exercise 4a. Exercise 4a. Your homework is that exercise 4a, question number 2, and question number 1, 2, and question number 3, and also 4 and 5. These basically 5 questions, and every question contains at least 3 to 4 questions. So you have to solve all the questions from exercise 4a. The rest of the topic we will discuss in our next class. Thank you for watching this video, and please solve the questions. After watching my videos, that means after watching my solution, after watching my methods, so please implement, please apply with yourself. You put your books and right on your right side and watch and see my videos and try to solve the questions and follow my method. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.